Introducing the Eroute 8000S electric folding wheelchair, the perfect companion for mobility, comfort, and convenience. Get ready to experience freedom like never before. The Eroute 8000S is designed to be the perfect companion for all your travels. Whether you travel by car, bus, train, or plane, this lightweight wheelchair is your ticket to unlimited adventure. It features powerful motors and long-lasting lithium-ion batteries and boasts an impressive range of up to 16 miles. It can easily hold a maximum load of 300 pounds. And with an extensive 1-year warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind on every ride. Experience the incredible comfort of riding any terrain. The Eroute 8000S wheelchair is designed with functional front and rear shock absorbers that ensure a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Thanks to the intuitive controls, the wheelchair can be operated by a second person, giving you the option of assistance when needed. Operation has never been easier. The 360-degree joystick controller can be adjusted for right or left-handed use, allowing for a smooth ride in tight spaces. And with intelligent electromagnetic brakes, you can stop confidently in seconds, ensuring your safety at all times. Safety and comfort go hand in hand with the Eroute 8000S wheelchair. The wheelchair is equipped with rollover protection to ensure stability during your journey. The ability to raise the armrests and footrests allows for a safe lateral transfer to the wheelchair when needed. Need a compact solution? The Eroute 8000S wheelchair fits easily into the boot of small cars thanks to its foldable design. No more transport hassles. The innovative folding mechanism allows the 8000S wheelchair to be effortlessly folded and unfolded in seconds. With a light weight of only 57 pounds, it's easy. The Eroute 8000S wheelchair can be used in both manual and electric mode, giving you full control over your mobility. It adapts effortlessly to your needs. Enhance your experience with this convenient accessory for the Eroute 8000S wheelchair. From a travel bag to make moving your wheelchair more convenient, to a handy cup holder and spacious shopping basket, stay prepared and organized on your travels. And with an LED flashlight and USB charger, you'll never have to worry about running out of power again. With 5 speed levels and adjustable speed control, you can reach speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour. And when it's time to recharge, simply plug it in overnight and you'll be ready to go again in just 6 to 8 hours. Adjustable, wide, soft, and ergonomic armrests provide optimal support for your spine. And with a comfortable 18-inch wide high-strength foam seat and front and rear shock absorbers, every ride will be a luxurious experience. Experience true freedom with the Eroute 8000S electric folding wheelchair. Our support team will help you with any questions and work with you to ensure you are fully satisfied. Visit eroutemobility.com or contact our customer service team.